Great days on you. Hey, get off of it.
Feeling it?
No, he was on me?
He just landed on his back.
Great days on you. Hey, get off of it.
Feeling it?
No, he was on me?
He just landed on his back.
Things are looking a little more like winter. Freezing temperatures, but we definitely need snow. Looks like there's one other person waiting for that first chair. Leslie got first chair yesterday at the Peru lift.
And the day before.
And the day before at Loveland's, the big one.
So today is a
opening day. Yeah.
I like it.
The trifecta. So these guys are all racing. They're just hungry for first. Well, let's see if we can slide on up there with them. On the right, on the right. Squeezing in, squeezing in. There we go. Get some powder.
First chair ride of topper of the season, and we got to stop right there.
Man, way she goes. Hey, at least we can be on the chair and
right.
making some turns potentially here any second.
See you later.
Enjoy later. Okay, no messing around. Straight to the terrain park. With some warm-up jump. I wanted to come back here for the Copper Hike Park. Okay, let's give these teams a shot. Just a little warm-up, starting off the season. Oh, get a little sticky. No problem. Oh, got stuck too. Try these features over here. Fun. That feature was not sticky at all. Oh yeah. Whoa. Let's try to get a surf slash down here. So accelerator lift is running, but only for the ski racers. Not open to the public yet.